going to show you how to post an order and update your inventory. So let's just go ahead and find an order. So we're going to click on this order. Now you can see that the technician has already signed off, so everything is finished here. So I can go ahead and take payment. So I'm going to open the summary panel. A couple things to point out, that this customer is COD. So let's say you have a service writer and the customer says, well, can you put this on account for me? And let's just say you went ahead and did that and said make payment. You would have to contact the administrator to have that changed. Okay, so this is going to prevent anyone from putting something on account that you don't want to have on account. So that means their payment options have to be the other options that are listed here. So let's just say that they're going to take a check, alright, and you're going to go ahead and say make payment. It's going to ask for an authorization number for a check, so we're going to write the check number here. Now I'm going to say make payment. Okay, it's been processed. Our next step is we want to convert this order into an invoice. Yes, we want to process it. Okay, great, so it's been created. Now the next step is, it is paid and it'll show up as paid, but I want to make sure that my inventory is up to date. So if I select this post to inventory, now I have on purpose made sure that I do not have enough quantity in inventory, just to show you how it would work. Okay, so if I want to post these parts on this order to inventory, I select this button and it's going to tell me that there's an issue. And one of the issues is that I have zero quantity for this part number. Okay, so this part number on here, I don't have it in, and I need at least one to post the invoice. Do I want to add this to the inventory? And I'm going to say yes. So what's going to happen is automatically going to bring me to the invoicing, or to the part inventory screen, and I can make sure that I remember to add my purchase information. If it was a previous invoice number that I received from before, I can just say go ahead and add that to it. Okay, which I'm going to go and do that. There's that invoice number. I'm going to say okay, there was one I purchased, the pricing is all accurate, and I'm going to say save. Part purchased successfully. My next step, now I can just exit this screen. I don't need to add it to the order because it's already there. So I'm just going to say cancel and exit. There we go. So now I can try and post the order again. Now it's posted successfully. So this is showing us now that I have a check, the sale, the amount, the authorization number. If I had any comments I wanted to put, I could put that in there. But this is to show you that now my inventory is completely up to date. Now let's say I made a mistake somewhere along the line and I wanted to correct that mistake. I'll show you how you can do that. You can come back to this order here. Now I'll show you one quick way how to even find the order. Okay, now let's say I do know the customer, and let's say I know the order number. I'll show you how it is to find it. If I went to the main menu, of course this is only going to show me my work in progress, but this has been posted. So I'm going to go into my work order. I'm going to say I want to look at my posted orders. Okay, and I'm going to press search. This is going to show me all the posted orders. Okay, now I want to find the one that I had ball joints on, and I could either type in ball joint on there or deluxe, and it's going to find that one, but I already know that it was the last order that I did, so I'm going to select it here. Okay, so now I'm back to where I was before, and I want to unwind this because let's say I made a mistake on the check number and I took the wrong payment. So what I can do is, the first thing I want to do is say unpost. So I'm going to unpost this order. Okay, it's been unposted. I want to refresh this screen. Okay, now everything's refreshed. Now in order to delete this payment, if I just go like this, it's not going to actually delete it. Okay, nothing's going to happen because it's involved in the summary panel. So what I'm going to do is open the summary panel. Now I can delete this transaction. Excellent. Now I've deleted the transaction, and then I can go ahead and fix the mistake that I wanted to do. Let's say I'm taking cash, okay, and I wanted to take 200 in cash. Okay, 200 in cash. I can say make payment. Alright, so it shows me that 200 was received, and this shows me the remainder, and I'm going to say that is going to be by a check. Make payment. Oh, I forgot to write the check number. Thank you. Write the check number. Make the payment. There you go. I've got multiple payments on here now. Convert to the invoice. Good. Post all my inventory, so that's cleared up. And now the last thing I want to do is, with the customer here, I want to just simply print the customer a copy. Now it's right here. If I click on that, it's going to automatically print a couple copies of this order for me. And then if there was any recommendations, just close the print here. If there was any recommendations, they are going to show here with their pricing. Okay, so that's how you receive the payments with the program.